What's up, guys? So, here we are, Chef Boy RT. um, that's really what it is, though, because I be whipping it up, but I ain't Chef Boy RD. I'm Chef Boy RT. Feel me? Anyway, so, I wanted to do this channel because I just wanted to show off cooking, basically. I just wanted, people to see how you prepare things, or or to teach, I want to teach how to cook. I want to learn how to cook, I can cook, but I want to learn more. I want to teach others that don't know how. I want to give advice, or just examples, or whatever that may be, I just want to do whatever, I just like cooking, and I figure, why not make a cooking channel? Shit, why not? If I like cooking so much, I used to cook all the time, but I didn't have the time no more. So, but now then, I just got back to time because I got a new job. So, we back to cooking, Chef Boy RT. So anyway, this is just some lunch stuff, for right now, just to hold you over kind of thing. This ain't no big meal, or this ain't nothing to fill you up for the night or whatever. That's a little bit. We got some good steaks for that a little bit later. Anyway, so what we got here is just a snack, is something to hold you over until dinner. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna go grab the bread over here on the table. I'm gonna grab the Miracle Whip out of the fridge, right? And then I'm gonna come back over here with a plate, and I'll show you what I'm about to do. Alright guys, so what I did was I got the knife, butter knife, my favorite, it's Miracle Whip. I've always loved this as a kid. I don't like the real mayonnaise stuff. This is my stuff right here. Anyway, so I got that. I got this right here, the bread. Not the money, but the bread. Feel me? And then what else I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab some fresh pepper. That's like real nice and grinded up, Also, I'm gonna grab the salt with that, and I'll show you what I'm gonna do with that then. Notice here, I want to show you, I have some tomatoes, but look how red these tomatoes are. Guys, this is some amazing tomatoes. So, of course, that one's going in the trash. That one probably will too, but this is what we're working with right here. Anyway, so back to the sandwich. So, we have this sandwich, right? And it's going to be a tomato sandwich is what it's called. It's a tomato sandwich. Now, shit you not, this is a really good sandwich. So, work with me here. Now, this is the first video I'm doing. Sorry, Spaz. This is the first video I'm doing, so it's kind of rusty. I'm not, work with me. I'll get some more stuff in the future and make it better. Anyway, take the bread. Make that shit. No. Open it up. And excuse my language for any kids watching. This is going to be a kid channel, so I do have to watch what I'm doing. Sorry for the words I have said, but now that I just thought about that, I'll keep on track of that. So I don't know why they do these two wrapping things. I hate it so much. I really do. Anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to grab 2 pieces. For now, anyway. I don't know what's going to work here, but we're going to grab them 2 pieces, right? I'm going to grab my Miracle Whip. That. Make sure you put a little bit on there, man. You can't just have a dry sandwich. Never. Ham, turkey, tomato, ostrich, whatever, man. You just can't have a dry sandwich. I don't care what you eat. You could be eating a bug sandwich for all I care. Just don't let it be dry, man. I don't want it, but give it some Miracle Whip. That's some good shit. That's some good stuff. Anyway, so what I'm doing is I'm just dressing this baby up. I do like extra, so I'm gonna put as much as I need. I'm not really trying to be perfect right now, I'm not trying to hold you guys up to make you guys watch this long of a video just for a tomato sandwich, but you see what I'm working with. You know what I mean? Bam. Just like that. Now, with that pepper I grabbed, this, we're gonna take, I'm gonna take it, just a little coating, just to give it that taste, right? I'm not gonna put it on the other one because I really don't want that much pepper taste, but I am gonna put a little tiny bit of salt. For some reason, salt goes good with tomatoes. I don't know why, but I've realized that, and it is what it is. So, all I need. Next, you gonna put that back up there. I'm gonna close this Miracle Whip up. That way that's done up. And then we're gonna take these tomatoes that I have. Back to it, we got these tomatoes, right? Remember I said these tomatoes are just crazy. Remember to wash your hands before you do anything, you know, cooking, whatever, you know? Wash your hands. So anyway, what I'm gonna do, just gonna just gonna put these tomatoes on there nicely, you know what I mean? I'm not gonna try to do too much, because I don't want too over, but it's a nice big sandwich, so that's what I'm gonna do it with. Honestly, I might make two, so it's not overwhelming, because you don't want a tomato sandwich that's like really overwhelming of tomato, you know? You want to taste it all, but you don't want to taste too much, you feel me? So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna put those little 3 pieces on there. My hands are wet, and I'll show you here. What we're gonna do is put those 3 pieces on there. That should be enough, you know what I mean? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip this with the salt on it. It has salt, remember? Oh, other side, sorry. Anyway, I'm gonna put that like that. See all that juice coming out already? I'm not gonna do anything just yet, just because. But this will be on my next sandwich. I might as well make another one, use this bread up, you know what I mean? But anyway, so I'll make another sandwich the same exact way as I do with this. I'll show you the final touches, honestly. Now, like I said, it's a messy sandwich, so don't say I didn't tell you. But what we're gonna do is actually the knife that I used to cut the tomato, because you don't want to screw your whole sandwich up, you know? And if you do it with a knife that isn't sharp, it's gonna pull everything apart. It's kind of like bacon. So what I'm gonna do is hold the sandwich nice and tight, and just start cutting. Don't hurry. Take your time. Let it do it. It's like a chainsaw almost. You know, it does its own thing. Just like that. Take that little piece of here, and then you got the tomato sandwich. Easy. If you're hungry. Now, this is only if you like tomatoes. If you don't like tomatoes, you'll never like this. Only if you like tomatoes. But anyway. So guys, this is the tomato sandwich. You seen what I did. I told you what I did. Try it sometime. Let me know how it is, you know? But anyway, tomato sandwich. Great snack. I'll be on later. We're gonna do some steak later. We're gonna cook a steak meal. And we're gonna do some baked potato with it, whatever. You'll see in a couple hours. So stay tuned. Honestly, stay tuned. If you want to see this steak meal, I'm telling you, it's gonna be amazing. Stay tuned. But I hope all of y'all have a good day, good night, and be safe out there. Again, Chef Boy RT. Please subscribe, man. Subscribe, because I'm doing this like crazy, you know, just for fun, you know. So let's do it. Let's have fun. So hope all y'all have a good night. I'm about to bang this tomato sandwich.